Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023. The first question: which of the following points are correct with respect to the 50th meeting of the Goods and Services Tax (GST) Council held at New Delhi, Delhi in July 2023? A. The GST on snack pellets, the semi-finished ingredient that is used to manufacture snacking products, is decreased to 12% from 28%. B. GST exemption on satellite launch services supplied by Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO), Antrix Corporation Limited and New Space India Limited (NSIL). C. A uniform tax rate of 28% will be applied to casino, horse racing, and online gaming. Options are: A. Only A, B. Only A and B, C. Only B and C, D. Only A and C, E. All A, B and C. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Only B and C. Next question: which company has recently, in July 23, become the first central public sector enterprise (CPSE) in India to get certified for Anti-Bribery Management System (ABMS) by MS Intercert USA? Options are: A. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, B. Power Grid Corporation of India, C. Coal India Limited, D. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, E. Steel Authority of India Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Next question: name the India's first regional multilingual artificial intelligence (AI) news anchor that was recently, in July 23, introduced by the Odisha Television Limited (OTV). Options are: A. Shalu, B. Tina, C. Sara, D. Manav, E. Lisa. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Lisa. Next question: according to a World of Debt, a growing burden to global prosperity report launched by the United Nations Secretary General (UNSG) in July 2023, the global public debt reached a record of USD- in 2022. Options are: A. 59 trillion, B. 92 trillion, C. 62 trillion, D. 84 trillion, E. 70 trillion. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 92 trillion. Next question: which company has recently, in July 23, collaborated with Calicut to launch its first international payment gateway in Malaysia? Options are: A. Razorpay, B. BharatPay, C. PhonePe, D. Paytm, E. Freecharge. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Razorpay. Next question: name the Indian naval ship INS that has recently, in July 23, participated in the 2-week-long annual training exercise Operation Southern Readiness 2023, conducted by Combined Maritime Forces (CMF) in Seychelles. Options are: A. INS Sharda, B. INS Sujata, C. INS Sukanya, D. INS Sunaina, E. INS Suvarna. Time starts now. And the answer is D. INS Sunaina. Next question. Which organization has recently, in July 23, released a report the impact of microplastics and nanoplastics on human health with key findings that microplastics and nanoplastics significantly affect the gut microbiomes of humans, animals, and the environment? Options are A. World Health Organization, B. Food and Agriculture Organization, C. United Nations Environment Program, D. United Nations Children's Fund, E. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Food and Agriculture Organization. Next question. In July 2023, Dash became the first bank in India to offer interoperability between Central Bank Digital Currency (CBDC) and Unified Payment Interface (UPI). Options are A. ICICI Bank, B. Axis Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. Yes Bank, E. IndusInd Bank. Time starts now. And the answer is C. HDFC Bank. Next question. Name the state government that has recently, in July 23, signed and more with Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, CGTMSE, Paytm and Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, to enable collateral-free loans to MSMEs. Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. West Bengal, E. Goa. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Goa. Next question. In which state Barda Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. West Bengal, E. Gujarat. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Gujarat. Next question. In July 2023, Dash became the first airport in India to get 4 runways and dual Eastern Cross Taxiway, ECT, elevated taxiways. Options are A. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, C. Indira Gandhi International Airport, D. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, E. Kempegowda International Airport. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Next question. Which country has recently, in July 23, became the 51st nation to agree to the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia with the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN? Options are A. Turkey, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Israel, D. United Arab Emirates, E. Qatar. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Next question. Which of the following companies/institutes have recently, in July 23, signed and more with International Financial Services Centers Authority, IFSCA, to support fintech and tech-fin entities? Options are A. Pilani Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Society, B. Birla Institute of Technology and Science, C. Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, D. Both 1 and 2, E. Both 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Both 1 and 2. Name the company that has recently, in July 23, signed a Technical Assistance and License Agreement (TALA) with General Electric Technology GmbH Switzerland (GE) for gas turbines technology. Options are A. Bharat Electronics Limited, B. Bharat Dynamics Limited, C. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, D. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, E. GAIL India Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Next question. Which company has recently, in July 23, signed the contract for procurement of tactical access switch with the Indian Army under the Make in India model? Options are A. Mahindra Aerospace Limited, B. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, D. Lockheed Martin Corporation, E. Larsen and Toubro Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Tata Advanced Systems Limited.